Let's make some Jamaican red peas soup. Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica YouTube channel. And we will be making some delicious red pea soup with some smoked turkey necks. When it comes to the kidney beans or red peas to make the red pea soup, it's best to let it soak overnight. But since this is a quick recipe, how to get some quick soup, we're not soaking our beans. We're just going to wash them and put them straight in the pressure cooker and cook them. So we're going to rinse it a couple times, throw off the water, and then we're going to place it on the stove. Now we're going to add in some crushed garlic because we need to pressure our beans with flavor. You know what I mean? Alright, so we throw that in now. We sprinkle some salt, lock it good, and let it pressure. Then we're going to start to prep our vegetables. We're going to cut up some Irish potato and some coco and some pumpkin. To get a really delicious red pea soup, it's best to add some ripe plantain and sweet potato. But we never have any of those, so we just made do. Adding sweet potato or ripe plantain to your red pea soup just takes it to the other level. Alright, right now we're going to clean our chicken foot. We're going to clean it real good. Cut off all the nails and also the center if it has anything in the middle. Now move on to the smoked turkey, which has this next level of flavor. We're going to wash it off a couple times. Because it has a level of saltiness, we have to just wash it off a couple times, and then we're just going to do a little pre-boil before we add it to our soup. So we're just gonna place it on the stove and just scald it a little bit. That's what we call it in Jamaica. But we're just going to boil off some of the saltiness. Alright, next now we're going to check our red peas that has been pressuring. So the peas should be around half done because we're going to pressure it again with the chicken foot and the smoked turkey neck. After we have given our smoked turkey necks a courtesy boil to take off the salt, we're going to go ahead now and just remove that little skin on the sides of the turkey necks, add it to the pressure cooker. We're going to close it now and let it pressure again. Meanwhile it's pressuring, we're going to continue to prep and we're going to make some dumpling, some cornmeal dumpling. So in a bowl we added flour and cornmeal and we washed our hands thoroughly, getting underneath the nails, because you know when making dumpling you have to get your hand all up in it and knead it around. You know what I mean? So this is prepped and we're just going to put this aside now for when it's ready to go into the pot. We prepped some breadfruit as well, and now we're going to go ahead and prep our scallions. Jamaican people love to just mash up the scallion to release all the flavors into the liquid when it's cooking. Alright, so now we're going to cut up some garlic. This is going to boil out in the pot. So the pressure cooker is finished pressuring. We're going to open it up and we have all our pressured goodies. The beans are finished pressured, the chicken foot, the turkey neck, everything good. So now we're just going to go in and add all our prepped ingredients. We're going to make our dumplings now, some nice cute little dumplings. Place them in. The flame is on medium heat. We're going to add in all of our prepped vegetables, the Irish, the pumpkin, the coco, the breadfruit, and now we add in our scallion and thyme, and we had some water boiling separately. So we're going to add in that hot water now so the temperature doesn't drop. We add in more liquid and the temperature doesn't drop. Temperature just remain the same. We're adding our grace cock soup to them because we want it to be flavorful. Yes, give that a good mix and let it cook and bubble and simmer down. Adding a little bit of margarine, chiffon margarine. Now after it cooked down, we're going to add in some coconut milk powder. Yo, and we're adding 2 of the coconut milk powder, and then we're adding some pimento leaf. Hallelujah. I will let it cook down. For the final touches, we're going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper to your preference. And then it's done. You're ready to eat, and this was so delicious and quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share.